Children, in the previous video, we learned about the edges and corners of shapes. In this video, we will see some interesting examples of the same. Today, Babban has again come to Apu's shop to eat sweets for free. Babban said to Apu that he will play a game with him. He can quickly tell among the sweets or snacks how many edges and how many corners they have. If the answer is right, then Apu will let Babban eat the sweet for free. But if he gives the wrong answer, then he will pay the amount for that sweet to Apu. Apu agreed. Apu first gave Babban a piece of a burfi. Babban immediately said, 12 corners and 8 edges. Is Babban's answer correct? This is how the piece of burfi looks. Can you tell how many edges and how many corners does it have? Here are the edges. How many edges are there in total? 12. And how many corners? 8. Babban's answer is absolutely correct. He quickly ate the burfi. Now Apu gave Babban a Kaju Katli. Babban thought for a while. Children, can you also, along with Babban, think how many edges and corners does the Kaju Katli have? A Kaju Katli looks like this. Can you say which are the edges of this sweet? Yes, these are the edges of the sweet. How many edges in total? 12. Now, can you make out which are the corners of the sweet? Here are the corners. How many total corners? 8. Babban answered this one correctly, and he quickly ate up the Kaju Katli too. Children, before Apu's next question, amongst all of these shapes, can you recognize the shape which has no corners? This is the right answer. These shapes have no corners. Now Apu had understood Babban's trick. This time he gave Babban a peda. Babban was confident that this time too he will answer correctly, so he quickly ate the peda. Now Babban started thinking. He answered that a peda has no corners and no edges. Children, is Babban's answer correct? This is how a peda looks. Can you recognize its curved edge? Correct. This is the curved edge of a peda. A curved edge. And corner? Yes, a peda does not have a corner. Apu explained the correct answer to Babban and took money for the peda from him. At last, Babban learnt a lesson. Children, in this lesson, we saw some interesting examples about the edges and corners of shapes.